happens to be an existing client. But you'll be taking contact logs for new clients, just kind of giving us an idea what their objectives are, how their experience went the first time, do they have any health conditions they're working on, what are their objectives, all really important stuff. So you would click on the appointment and then come over here to open up the client profile. And you're going to click in here for contact logs. And you're going to come down here and you're going to click on notes. And you're going to make your contact log here. Then you're going to click on add. And there's one more step before you're totally done. They don't make it easy. You have to click save. So most important thing is that you do have to click here for notes to get it to appear in the client log report that we're going to run next. So the next day, the next cryotech is going to come in and they want to run the previous day's client log report, contact log report. So your screen's going to look a little bit different just because I'm the quote-unquote webmaster. You click on clients and you come down here to contact logs. And you're going to want to run the day before, but since I just made these today and I want to show you how I did it, we're going to click on today, which is the 9th of December. So the start date is the 9th of December, the end date is the 9th of December, but you would want to do it for the day before, whenever you came in, because you want to deal with those contact logs. So then you come down here to this little box, you click Use Detailed Filters, and then the last thing you have to do to generate the report is to go here to Log Types, click on Notes. And what that's going to do when we generate the report, it's only going to give us the notes that were taken. It's not going to give us all that other garbage that was showing up. So here you can see the note that I just made, make your contact log here. So based on this report then, you can go to your Google, the ChillRx hit list. So based on this information, I would then take it and I'd go to the Google doc hit list. I would change it to 12/9/2018. Somebody did that. And I would just put here, see, so note on Mariana Marchesi here. So whatever that contact log said, you would then put it on the Google Doc so that everyone would have access to it. It's kind of like a little report. I have to say, I have thoroughly enjoyed this past week with the Google Doc ChillRx hit list because I'm at home and I just pop it up like 4 to 5 times a day and I see exactly what's going on. I can figure out what's needed at Chill. I can see if there's any issues that I have to follow up on. So many issues I feel have been, taken care of so quickly and expeditiously because I've just been aware of it. I'm sure you guys feel the same way. I recognize that it's a little bit of a pain and there is some investment in, getting up to speed on it. But I think in the long run, it's just going to serve us all so well. We aren't going to have any communication gaps whatsoever. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys are doing a great job. Everybody just raves about everyone at ChillRx. Thank you so much.